In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva step by step. If Canva is freezing, lagging, showing errors, or simply refusing to load, it can interrupt your workflow fast, especially when you're trying to finish an important design or presentation. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is not permanent, and you usually don't need any advanced technical skills to fix it. A lot of Canva issues come from temporary browser problems, outdated cached data, performance settings, or limited system memory. So in this guide, I'll walk you through a simple process to help get Canva running smoothly again. The first thing you should do is check whether the issue is actually on Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look at the platform status for important services like the editor, media delivery, and login features. If you see an active outage or incident, that means Canva is already aware of the problem and working on it. In that case, you may just need to wait a bit. But if everything is showing as normal, then the issue is likely happening on your device or in your browser. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted temporary files can interfere with how Canva loads and saves your work. In your browser, open the settings menu from the top right, then choose the option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files, are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This removes old stored files that may be causing conflicts, while your Canva designs remain safely saved in your account. After that, check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. Go back into your browser settings and open the System or Advanced section. Find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned off, switch it on. This helps your browser use your computer's graphics hardware to handle demanding visual tasks more smoothly, which can make a big difference in Canva. If Canva is still sluggish, close any extra browser tabs you don't need. Too many open tabs can use up memory and slow everything down, especially web apps like Canva. Closing unused pages frees up system resources and can improve performance right away. Finally, return to Canva and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to load a fresh version of the page. Then check that Canva shows all changes saved and test moving elements around the canvas to confirm everything feels smooth again. That's it. Thanks for watching.